Right-click on the area of time and date at the lower right part of your desktop screen and then select Adjust Date and Time. You will arrive directly to the settings. If you want to automatically set the time and date to your device, you just simply have to click on. But if you prefer to manually set the time and date, just click off. And then click Change for you to be able to manually set up your time and date. Once you're done setting up, just click Change for you to save the changes that you have made. And there you have it, you're done manually setting up the time and date. Go to the Start menu and search this PC. Right-click on this PC. After that, you have to click Properties. Then at the left side, click Change Settings. Next is to type in your computer description. I typed for demo. After that, you have to click Change. You can now set the computer name. And you can also set the work group. Once you're done typing the computer name and the work group, you have to click OK. Changes will only be saved if you restart the device. Go to Search menu and type Windows Update Settings. Click on the Windows Update Settings. This will direct you to the settings and you have to click on Check for Updates. The device is now going to check if there is any needed updates. You can now see that our Windows is already updated. Go to the Search menu and type this PC. Click on this PC. After that, right-click on this PC. And then you also have to click Manage. Once that's done, you have to select Device Manager. From that, you're going to select the category Network Adapters. Select any adapters you want to update and right-click on it. Then proceed on clicking Update Driver. After that, you're going to see the option Search automatically for drivers and click on it. As you can see, the best version of the driver is already installed, so we're now just going to close it. Locate the network adapter icon on the lower right part and right-click on it, and you're going to select Open Network and Internet Settings. Just select Change Adapter Options. And then right-click on your active network adapter. Click Properties. Then proceed by selecting Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4 and selecting Properties. To manually assign your IP address, click on Use the following IP address. And you can now type your IP address, and remember it must be unique. Subnet mask will automatically appear. And then type your default gateway. Type in your preferred DNS server. For you to save the changes, just click OK and then close. For us to check whether the changes we made is applied, go to the command prompt. And you have to type in ipconfig. And there you have it, you have done manually assigning your IP address. For you to test the connection, just go to the command prompt. Use any of the ping command for you to test the connection.